Hi my dear students, welcome back to our mathematics class. Today we are going to discuss some word problems relating money math. Let's start our class. Okay. Question number 1. Thomas bought 10 cents of land at 75,000 rupees a cent. He spent 50,000 rupees to build a wall around and 60,000 rupees to dig a well. He sold the plot at 90,000 rupees a cent. What it gain or loss for him? How much? In the question given that Thomas bought 10 cents of land. Then price of 1 cent of land is equal to 75,000 rupees. Price of 10 cents of land is equal to 75,000 into 10, which is equal to 7,50,000 rupees. Okay. Then money spent for build a wall is equal to 50,000 rupees. Then money spent for dig a well is equal to 60,000 rupees. Then total expense or cost price is equal to sum of all the expenses, that is 7,50,000 plus 50,000 plus 60,000. Which is equal to 8,60,000 rupees. Okay. Then selling price of the plot per cent is equal to 90,000 rupees. Selling price of the 10 cents of plot is equal to 90,000 into 10, which is equal to 9 lakhs rupees. Here, selling price is equal to 9 lakhs rupees and cost price is equal to 8,60,000 rupees. 9 lakhs is always greater than 8,60,000 rupees. So, we get a gain. Gain is equal to selling price minus cost price, which is equal to 9 lakhs minus 8,60,000 rupees, which is equal to 40,000 rupees. So, Thomas got a gain of 40,000 rupees. Next, we have to do one more question from the textbook. A trader bought 20 quintals of rubber sheets at 19,850 rupees a quintal. He spent 3,000 rupees to take the load to the shop. Since prices went down, he had to sell them at 18,250 rupees a quintal. How much money did he lose? In the question given that cost of a quintal rubber sheets is equal to 19,850 rupees. Buying price of 20 quintals of rubber sheets is equal to 19,850 into 20, which is equal to 3,97,000 rupees. Also given that transportation charge is equal to 3,000 rupees. Then cost price, that means CP is equal to 3,97,000 plus 3,000, which is equal to 4 lakhs rupees. Then selling price of a quintal rubber sheets is equal to 18,250 rupees. So, the selling price of 20 quintals is equal to 18,250 into 20, which is equal to 65,000 rupees. Then cost price CP is equal to 4 lakhs rupees and selling price SP is equal to 3 lakhs 65,000 rupees. Here cost price is equal to 4 lakhs rupees and selling price is equal to 3 lakhs 65,000 rupees. So CP is always greater than SP. So loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. That is 4 lakhs minus 36,500 rupees, which is equal to 35,000 rupees. Today's class is over. Thank you.